तो जब मैं अंदर गई थी तो सब ने मुझे, अरे स्क्रिप्टेड है, पता है ये है वो है, आई वॉन्ट टू मीट दोज पीपल एंड गिव देम अ स्लैप कि कुछ स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं है, झूठा. The first thing that I did was Umang got me out of the house. The first thing I did was I came out of the house and Tushar was there from Endemol. I hugged him tight. Then I met Khushbu, who was like a man Friday. जो भी चीज़ें लगती थी, खुशबू को एक hug और kiss किया. Abhishek from Endemol again, and thanked everyone for this brilliant opportunity. And then I called my husband. He didn't know I was out, so I had to use, because I didn't have a phone. So I called apps and he's like, huh? You out already? I'm like, yeah. I say, okay, I'm coming. You come home. So I think they were all very happy कि I've come home. But somewhere down the line, sad कि इतने नज़दीक आके I didn't make it to the end. Honestly, we knew there was going to be a midweek eviction, and there were going to be 2 going, because we know it's going to be the top 5 eventually. And somewhere down the line, I had 3 names in my head. I was one of them, I won't lie. But when it actually happened, it was very, very sad, because I know there are so many interesting things that haven't happened towards the end of the show. तो ऐसा लगा कि shit, I missed that opportunity, मैं मेरे VT नहीं देखूंगी और ये नहीं होगा, वो नहीं होगा. But I left the house. Big Boss ने मुझे बहुत respect दिया. He didn't announce my eviction. He gave me a letter, or I had to read my own letter. And towards the end, he said, "You came into this house as a big fan." और आज मैं आपको एक बात बोलूँगा, big fan. So for me, it was, I couldn't have asked for anything better and bigger. I went in as Shilpa, me being me, and I've come out being me. कोई चेंज नहीं, कुछ नहीं. जैसे मेरी बेटी आई थी घर में, तो मैंने उसको एक सवाल किया था. I said, "Do you resonate with the mama you know?" And she said, "Yeah, mama, it's you." So for me, I'm a winner already. You know, you won't believe this. सारे घर वालों को पता था कि मैं बिग बॉस की कितनी बड़े फ़ैन हूँ, और वो हमेशा मुझे एक ही सवाल पूछते, शिल्पा जी आपके एक्सपीरियंस, आपने तो सारे सीजन देखे हैं, आपको क्या लगता है अब ऐसा होगा, अब वैसा? आई डिडंट हैव एन आंसर टू गिव, क्योंकि मैं कंप्लीटली ब्लैंक हो गई थी. मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि बिग बॉस में क्या होता है, बिकॉज जब आप एक्चुअली अंदर हो तो चीज़ें फुल्ली डिफरेंट है, कुछ भी सेम नहीं है. माई फ्रेंड्स फॉर एवर, यही है. द बॉन्ड विल बी फ्रेंड्स फॉर एवर, बिकॉज ये 102 दिन इतने स्पेशल है हम सबके लिए कि देयर इज कुछ नहीं. लड़ाई झगड़े नॉर्मल लाइफ में भी होते हैं. इनफैक्ट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि नॉर्मल लाइफ में हम लोगों के पास एक चॉइस होता है, लोगों को इग्नोर करना, ब्लॉक करना, ये करना, वो करना. उस घर में ऐसा कोई चॉइस नहीं है. अगर पसंद ना आए तो भी 24 घंटे देखना है, अगर अच्छा लगे तो भी 24 घंटे देखना है. और कौन से रिश्ते में अनबन नहीं होती. तो द फैक्ट इज़ कि जितना टाइम है उतने में सुलह करो एंड मूव ऑन विद लाइफ. आई डोंट रिग्रेट एनीथिंग, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. और परफॉर्म मतलब क्या है, स्क्रिप्ट तो आती नहीं है, टास्क आते हैं. टास्क के हिसाब से हम रिएक्शन करते हैं और उससे कुछ चीज़ें कैरी फॉरवर्ड होती है. तो व्हाट इज़ देयर टू एक्ट और एनैक्ट और प्लान एनीथिंग? यू डोंट हैव टाइम. मतलब हम लोगों को पता है कि आज नॉमिनेशन है, लेकिन नॉमिनेशन किस किस्म का हो रहा है हम लोगों को नहीं पता. तो जब मैं अंदर गई थी तो सब ने मुझे, अरे स्क्रिप्टेड है, पता है ये है वो है. I want to meet those people and give them a slap कि कुछ scripted नहीं है, झूठा. Honestly, we as a family don't keep expectations from each other. It's people's, I've learned this from the house, कि you meet all types of people in the sense who have opinions and judgments about, and who make judgments about people, each one to their own. My sister, I know how much she loves me and she knows how much I love her. Nobody is out there to pass a judgment on our relationship. Whether she posts something or she doesn't post something for me, that's her personal choice. That doesn't change my equation with her. And that's a very silly thing to ask, I would think. I entered the house being myself. I've come out of the house being myself. Whether she supported me or she didn't support me, I know what I mean to her. And that's all that matters. I was asked this question a few minutes ago, and I didn't have an answer to that then because my brain is fully fogged giving so many interviews and answering the same question, but I'm thinking of it as I speak with you. I think the one memory that I have that will always be very, very special to me, one of the memories, is my first fight with Avinash and Rajat.
Yeah.
Because I think that fight made me a very strong human being. For the first time, I realized that even if somebody comes so close to your face and has a very loud and sharp and dirty voice, you can still stand up for something you think you own.
Absolutely.
So I think that thing changed my entire being in the house. Well, honestly, nothing was going on in my mind back then. If you ask me, I don't know whether it's, honestly, this question even came up in the press conference that you were there.
Yeah.
About self-respect and self-esteem and blah, blah, blah. I did not enter the house with any baggage because I believe if I had to enter being who I am, I wouldn't have lasted for 15 weeks. It's very difficult to live in that house. Everyone thinks of a particular thing they watch very differently. I'm clearly, और वहाँ पे लोग बोलते थे, अरे तू ऐसा कर रहा है, जनता देख रही है. I'm like, what the जनता देख रही है मतलब क्या? Are you only performing for the audience? Because if you are performing for the audience, then when are you being you? So I never did that. And whether it was to take a little bit of attitude from a friend, or whether that was to say sorry to a friend who was hurt by your actions, or whether that is to say sorry or try to prove your friendship, my reactions have been me. And that's the first question, like I think I've repeated that before. I asked my daughter when she came to see me in the house, do you resonate with the mama you know? And she said, Mama, you are you. And for me, I won that day because I know that if my daughter says that, मैंने कभी भी acting नहीं की है या pretended या जैसे लोग बोलते हैं अरे footage, content, screenplay, इतने names मैंने समझे हैं in this whole process. I mean, honestly, मैं तो मजाक भी करती थी. Karan, then Chum, and then Vivian.